Imagine standing at the airport check-in counter, watching the scale climb past 23 kilograms while a line of impatient travelers waits behind you. Suddenly, you're faced with a massive overweight fee or the public embarrassment of digging through your baggage on the terminal floor to lighten the load. Is 23 kilograms actually enough for your trip? While it sounds like plenty, that limit is strictly enforced and disappears faster than you would expect. A standard hard-shell suitcase can weigh up to 5 kilograms empty, meaning nearly a quarter of your allowance is gone before you pack a single shirt. For a 2-week summer holiday, this is usually enough, but heavy winter coats or hiking boots will eat up that weight in less than 10 days. To avoid a hefty surprise fee, always use a digital hand scale at home and wear your heaviest boots and jacket on the flight. If you know you are over the limit, it is almost always cheaper to prepay for an extra bag online than to pay the penalty at the desk. Many people find success by moving dense items like books or electronics into their carry-on, which is rarely weighed as strictly. Remember, aim for 22 kilograms to account for scale variance and keep your departure stress-free.